Framing plates that touch concrete gotta be treated wood. But not every single one in your carpentry project needs to be. So, if you're building a wall and the bottom plate is sitting right on the concrete slab or any foundation, that plate has to be pressure treated to resist moisture and rot. Otherwise, untreated wood would just soak up water and start getting nasty, which could wreck your whole build later. For plates above the concrete or inside the house where moisture isn't an issue, you can totally use regular untreated lumber, which saves you some cash. Always double check your local building codes because sometimes they have specific rules about this stuff. If you skip treated wood where it's needed, your inspection might fail, and that's a headache you don't want. Also, keep in mind, treated wood costs more, so only use it where it's required to avoid blowing your budget. Moisture is the enemy here, so consider your environment. Like in humid areas, being extra careful with treated plates is smart. Basically, treated wood for anything touching or near concrete, untreated wood for dry spots above. One of the biggest mistakes people make with framing plates is using untreated wood directly on concrete, which leads to rot and inspection fails. Fix that by always choosing pressure-treated lumber for anything touching concrete or in direct contact with moisture. Another common issue is overtreating, like using treated wood everywhere, which just wastes money and can even be harder to work with since it's tougher and smells strong. Just stick to untreated for interior spots away from moisture to save cash and effort. Last, sometimes builders forget to check local building codes about treated versus untreated lumber and end up with rejected inspections or having to replace materials later. Always check the code before buying lumber so you don't get caught off guard. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know all these carpentry rules inside out. Plus, it helps contractors find work by matching them with people who need exactly what they offer, making sure everyone wins.